If you're a scooter fan looking for your next ride, you need to hear this before spending a dime. There's a lot more rolling with LSSC than you might think. According to the Autorit des Marches Financiers, aka the AMF, Lightning Shared Scooters Company, Limited, or LSSC, is a legit company. In fact, the AMF has issued a big, bold warning. LSSC isn't registered, isn't authorized, and definitely isn't safe to invest in if you're in Quebec. Here's the twist. Fraudsters are getting clever. They set up official-looking websites like lssc-canada.ca, lsscofficial.co, lssc.com, and a whole list of sketchy links. These aren't gateways to easy money or sweet rides, they're traps for your cash. So, if someone's pitching you LSSC as the next big thing, hit the brakes. Always double-check with trusted sources, like the AMF, before signing up or investing. Protect yourself, your wallet, and your peace of mind. For more info, check the official AMF investor warning.